Is the following statement true or false? Justify your answer. If in a quadratic equation the coefficient of x is 0, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay. So this is a question which can't be just answered. We need to sit and think. So let's start off with, let's consider ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? That's our quadratic equation. Here they're talking about if the quadratic equation, the coefficient of x, we have been given that b is equal to 0. So therefore you have ax square plus c is equal to 0. And the quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay, let's see this. So therefore d, which is equal to b square minus 4 into a into c, will lead to what? B can be 0, I mean not can be, is 0, minus 4 into a into c. Okay, so this implies d is minus 4ac. If I have either a or c as negative value, d is more than 0. So this statement is false. What I mean is, see, for a and c, right, or c, if not for, if, I guess, yeah, I should start with if a or c is a negative number, d will be more than 0. Okay, hence the roots will be real. Okay, thus the statement is false. So such reasoning has to be given. Right, let's consider a quadratic equation. Actually, need to write that also. A quadratic equation. So it's given this. We have b is equal to 0. And so we have ax square plus c in turn will be equal to 0. I'm just simplifying this. Therefore d, what happens to d? D turns out to be a negative expression. But it becomes a positive value for a and c, or c, either of this is a negative number. Hence root can be real. The question is, where is it? There's no real root. They're not talking about one or two cases. They're telling all the cases. No, it's not true. We can have a and c values which are negative. When they are negative, what happens? D value will be greater than 0. And we end up with we end up with a root which is real. And so the statement is false. So let's underline the word false. And yeah. Okay, those are your key terms that we need to showcase. If you underline that, your teachers will just put tick, tick, and they are done.